9 of my Instagram Reels has over 1 million views, one of which has over 4.7 million views. I have tons of TikTok videos that has gotten over 1 million views and has gone completely viral, and of course Instagram Reels is the exact same as TikTok videos. So there's no coincidence that I have gone viral on Instagram Reels many times. So there's a complete strategy and formula that I use to go viral on Instagram Reels, and if you follow all the steps in this video, you can go viral on Instagram Reels as well. The first tip is to repost your Instagram Reels onto Pinterest. Now you do need a Pinterest business account, so if you don't already have one, unfortunately you need to create a separate new account on Pinterest and make sure it's a business account. After you post your Instagram Reel, you want to click copy link, then you want to go to Pinterest, click the plus sign and click pin. Now you want to add a title and a description, and you want to make sure that you use keywords to describe your niche and your video, because when people are typing into Pinterest the keywords, your video is going to more likely show up in their search. Next, you want to add relevant hashtags in the description. And don't forget to paste your Instagram Reels link into the pin, and Instagram is more likely to push out your Instagram Reel if a lot of people are copying this link and sharing it. So after you paste your Instagram Reels link, you want to click next and save it to a public board. If you don't already have a public board, you want to make sure that you make one specifically for your Instagram Reels, and make sure that you group all your pins, which is your Instagram Reels, into different categories, because when people find the different boards on Pinterest, they're going to follow the boards, and if all the videos in the boards are around the same topic, you're going to get more views, which will end up getting you more views on your Instagram Reels. And again, you want to use keywords that define your niche and your videos when you're creating the public board, and title the public board using the keywords. The second tip on how to go viral on Instagram Reels is to add the text overlay within the first 2 seconds of the video. With the text overlay, you want to be able to hook people in and call out your target audience. You want to put the punchline of the video within the first 2 seconds of the Instagram Reel, because when people are scrolling through the Instagram Reels area, their attention span is quite short, so if you don't capture their attention within the first 2 seconds, they're just going to scroll right by and it will hurt your views. So the punchline of the video should tell the viewer what the video is about and why they should continue watching the reel. So for example, if I'm making an Instagram Reel, this is what you don't want to do. I've been going to the gym for over 5 years and I've been struggling to lose weight, and you know, I'm just trying to lose the last 5 pounds in my stomach area, and I never really found results until I did this one thing. So instead of saying all that, and that is just way too long, you want to keep it short and sweet. So this is what you want to say. Want to lose 5 pounds? This is what you should do. And that's it. You want to keep it short and sweet and to the point. The third tip on how to go viral on Instagram Reels is to add a call to action at the end of the video. You can add a call to action by using the text overlay and add it at the very end of the video, or you can also add the call to action in the caption of the Instagram Reel. Some examples of call to actions that you can add to your Instagram Reels is tag this, tag a friend that needs to see this video, or let me know in the comments below if you had this experience before, or let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Adding a call to action encourages people to comment and engage on the video, which not only does it take people a certain amount of time to comment and type out the comment on the reel, so when they're commenting on the Instagram Reel, it actually counts as a view count if the video is playing behind while they're typing out the comment. But the other reason why commenting on the Instagram Reel also helps with your view count is because the more comments that you have on the Instagram Reels, the more Instagram will think that your video is doing well, and it will push it out to more people. Fun fact, a lot of people get irritated and so pressed about my long nails, and people leave hate comments like, ew, her nails are so gross, why are they so long, they're so ugly. For all you haters, you're actually helping me with my view count, because the more you comment, the more views I'm going to get, and that's why I leave the negative comments on my videos, and I really don't care, because of course I love my nails, and you know, sometimes negative comments will help you. The fourth tip on how to go viral on Instagram Reels is to keep your Instagram Reels short. You're able to post up to a 30-second video on Instagram Reels, but I suggest keeping each Instagram Reels to 15 to 20 seconds long if you're able to do so. If you're not able to keep the Instagram Reels within those few seconds, within 20 seconds, then the content you're posting on Instagram Reels is not meant for Instagram Reels, and you're better off posting that kind of content on a feed post, on either an infographic, on a carousel post, or in a long form caption. The fifth tip to going viral on Instagram Reels is to use relevant hashtags. Same with the Instagram feed post, you are able to post up to 30 hashtags on your Instagram Reels, and it doesn't matter if you post the hashtags on your caption of the Instagram Reels or in the comment section of your Instagram Reels. Either way, you will still show up on the hashtags and trend on them. You want to use relevant hashtags that relate to the video, and you also want to use less competitive hashtags. This way, when you are trying to trend on the hashtags, you have a better chance of trending on the less competitive hashtags if there are less number of posts within that hashtag. I have a full video on how to use Instagram hashtags, so if you want to watch it, just click the little card icon at the top and it will direct you to the video. The sixth tip on how to go viral on Instagram Reels is to make sure that you remove all the watermarks on your Instagram Reels. So if you are reposting your TikTok videos onto Instagram Reels, which you are able to do, you just want to make sure that you remove the watermark from the TikTok videos, because Instagram will limit the amount of reach that your Instagram Reels has if it's seeing that you have, or if you're just reposting your TikTok videos. So in order to remove the watermark from your TikTok videos, I use the app called Save Talk, and it's totally free, so you just download it from the App Store. All you have to do is go to your TikTok video, click the three dots, click copy link, then you want to go into Save Talk and open up Save Talk, then click Save TikTok, the red button on the bottom, and then you'll have to skip all these ads if you're just using the free version. Don't be fooled by it, so just click the top left arrow and then click the top left X button, and then you're able to save the TikTok video. So that's one way on how to remove the TikTok watermarks, and I'm sure there's other apps that you can find in the App Store, or you can just Google them. But also the other way to do it is to just screen record your TikTok videos before you post on TikTok. So this way it's very easy for you to just share on your Instagram Reels. So that's all for today's video, and if you want more Instagram tips, I do post every day on my actual Instagram at Hey Nicole Wong, so be sure to follow me there so you don't miss any Instagram tips, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up so that I can make more Instagram tips and videos like this.